Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to collect emails, sync contacts, and run email or SMS campaigns from your Lovable website, connecting it to Brevo is a smart move in 2026. Most integration problems come from wrong list selection, missing attributes, unpublished changes, or blocked embeds. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to Brevo in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common Brevo integration problems. So form submits but no contacts appear in Brevo, embed not showing on the page, contacts added without name or attributes, works in editor but not on live sites, double opt-in confusion, or automation not triggering. Okay, so create or select a Brevo list. Okay, so before anything else, Brevo needs a list to store contacts. So in Brevo, log in to Brevo. Okay, so you have to have an account. So you have to log in into your account, go to contacts or to your contacts, then tap list, create a new list or select an existing one. Every sign up form must be linked to one specific list. Prepare contact attributes. So Brevo uses attributes instead of fields. So in Brevo, go to contacts, go to settings, go to attributes, make sure these exit. Okay, so email, first name, last name. So attributes names must be matched exactly. Okay, so uppercase also matter. Okay, choose your integration method. Lovable works with Brevo using two reliable methods. Okay, so this is the most stable and beginner friendly option. In Brevo, go to contact forms, create a new subscription form, select the list, customize field, and generate the HTML embed code. In Lovable, click add element, choose embed, paste the Brevo embed code, and save. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.